Our tray menu provides quick, easy access to our screenshot tool, recorder, video editor, and the video uploads in your hosting account. To open this menu, just click the ScreenPal icon from your Windows tool tray or Mac menu bar. From here, you can launch our tools and see recent images and videos that you can edit or share. Quickly take a screenshot of any part of your screen by clicking this button. Upload and share instantly. Click here to open the recorder and quickly capture and create videos. The same speedy access is available to launch the video editor. Click this button to open the project manager. From here, you can open any of your videos or images in the editor and start using our editing tools. Click this button to open your uploaded content in your hosting account. Your recent images and screen recordings are displayed on these tabs. Hover over a video or screenshot in your history to view a larger thumbnail of the item and the associated actions. For videos you have not yet uploaded to ScreenPal, you can open in the video editor. Browse to the location on your computer where the video is stored. Upload to ScreenPal, or delete. Videos that you have recently uploaded to ScreenPal are also displayed in this list. With uploaded videos, you can copy a link, open the uploaded video in your browser, or share to sites like Facebook and Twitter. For any screenshot you created, you can open it in the image editor. Browse to the file location on your computer. Upload, or delete. For uploaded images, you can copy a link, open the screenshot page, and use these quick share buttons to share a screenshot link. Click your user icon to see information about your account, get direct access to tutorials, and edit your preferences. From preferences, you can set the app to run at startup, so quick access to the tools is always available right away. You can also add shortcuts or hotkeys from here. Capture, create, share with ScreenPal.